आज आपकी फ्लावर श्रुति द्वारा से आपके सामने है एंड टुडे इज 1st November 2021 and it's going to be 2:21 in my watch. And today what I am planning that on 4th of November we have Diwali, and we are in Delhi currently, as Delhi is my hometown, I earlier told. So we are planning to go to Nijamuddin. We have heard that there is a school, blind school, and they literally have a very good Diwali Mela, and we are going to witness this blind school Diwali Mela in Nijamuddin. So let's catch up with us and let's see how we will going to be there and how we are enjoying the market there. So let's join the ride with us. And again we are going towards Nijamuddin from Delhi. It's very near, that's not very far. Hardly it will take 1 hour from my place, which is Shahadra, Delhi, to Nijamuddin on my scooty. So here is my scooty, my helmet is there, my mask is there, as we are going through the COVID times, and so my scooty is outside. So let's join the ride. Come on guys. We are starting our journey from 40,573 kilometers. My current meter is set to this position, and now we will going towards Nijamuddin. Let's see how much kilometer we are going to cover and reaching towards to Blind School Diwali Mela. Today is 1st November 2021, 2:21 PM in my watch. Hello friends, me and my mom is together today. It's 4th of November and we are in Delhi and shooting this short video vlog, I can say, travel vlog. We are going towards Blind School Nijamuddin, and we are heading from our home place, Shahadra, and we are currently on the Akshardham Mandir Temple Road. You can see there Akshardham Mandir. If we go from down, on the U-turn we have Akshardham Mandir, and this place is going towards Ghaziabad. On my right side, you can see the Akshardham. Also, Akshardham is not visible from the up. You can see. I will cover a bit from the other part later on. Hello. Hello guys, you can see Akshardham on my right? See this way. I am on the bridge which goes towards to Ways to Wonder in Delhi. Ways to Wonder is a theme park. There they have collected the waste materials like wheel pullovers and all waste materials of the cars and other metal materials, and they create a very big park out of waste. Like we have one in Chandigarh, like Rock Garden, but in Delhi we have Ways to Wonder Park. It's a very good theme park. I have already been there. I will upload it pictures later. So this road goes to that place, and on my right, on my left side, you can see Yamuna River. We have, it's a big river, very neat and clean. Earlier people talk that it's dirty, but now you can see the quality gets better. I think government have worked on this project. They have running projects going towards to clean the Yamuna River. You can see the river is very clean. That side we have Noida, and this side we have a river, and you can see the beautiful landscape there. So we are heading towards to Ways to Wonder. Like we are currently on the Ashram Road. So let's go towards to Ashram, and then from there we will go to Blind School. Friends, we are currently going towards to which road we are going? Towards ITO, and from there we will go to. Currently we are at Nijamuddin, and on the left side we have our Ways to Wonder theme park. You can see the design above. If I zoom, I think you can see more. It's a wonderful theme park which come from in Delhi, East Delhi department, Common Department, and it's going to be very good Ways to Wonder theme park, all created with waste. On my side, you can see the beautiful art and craft on the wall. Beautiful bridge across on the right side we have. Full graffiti. It's beautiful graffiti. We have so many, it's like sea, under the sea we can see what starfish are there, fishes are there. Beautiful. Tortoise. Sea aquarium. It's a glance of sea aquarium on the wall. It's making our Delhi beautiful. So on the back side we have our Ways to Wonder Park in Delhi. Do visit, do come to Ways to Wonder Park. It's costly only 50 rupees, no? 50 rupees per person ticket we have. We have already been there, so we have uploaded the pictures and very beautiful, yes. So we are going forward towards our main target, which is Blind School Diwali Mela. So let's come with us. On the right side you can see Shanti's booth, and this place is in Indraprasth Park. It's also just next to our Ways to Wonder theme park. We have this Indraprastha Park. It's a very big park on the road which goes towards to ITO. It's a beautiful place, very big park. People come and roam here, have their own food if we want. We have a very big canteen also. So anyone if coming towards to ITO and to the Nizamuddin, do visit Ways to Wonder Park, and just next to we have this Shanti Stupa in Indraprastha Park. Do come and visit. We are witnessing this beautiful stupa currently. It's a very nice place. Me and my mom, Shruti and Rachna together on a scooty ride. Do share your love and do share your videos to the other people so that they also visit the Delhi in the way which we are visiting, and having more knowledge towards which place we need to visit in Delhi in less time. So we have, in few hours only we have covered so many things, so many stops in between, although we have not gone into, but from the outside. Earlier we have been there, so we have visited Indraprastha Park, this Shanti Stupa also, and Ways to Wonder Park also. And today the place where we are going, that is pretty much new for us, so let's see how we are going to experience that. Do visit with us. Hello friends, on the back side you can see a Bhairav temple. It's mentioned Shri Kilkari Baba Bhairav Nathji Pandvo Kaleen Mandir. It's a very famous Bhairav Baba temple in Delhi. People have the faith that if we come here and we wish something, and that will be fulfilled. So we have also visited this place earlier, and in the next videos we will cover this place for you also. So it's a snip for you guys. On the back side, if you see, just in front of the Bhairav temple, I think it's not clear, but I will show you. You can see one dinosaur is there. A blur image is there with the green. This one, here. One dinosaur is there. That is Science Museum. So especially students, for the children, if anyone interested towards the science things, science projects, one can come and do visit the Science Museum here in front of Bhairav Nath temple, nearby ITO. The area is in Nizamuddin, nearby Nizamuddin ITO only. So we are going towards to our next stop. Come with us, guys. On the left side we have National Zoological Park in Delhi. So I am covering this part with my mom Rachna here on two-wheeler. You can see our two-wheeler here. We are moving to that road which goes towards the Blind School Nizamuddin, towards the Mathura road. Diwali Bazaar, associated by the Blind Relief Association. You can see Diwali Bazaar 28 October to 1st November 2021, 10 AM to 8 PM. Entry is free and complied with COVID protocols. So that's why we are wearing masks. And you can see outside we have some food stalls. People can have this ambrak and ये क्या है? Chakarkandi, yeah, sweet potato, and some market on the back. So we are going towards, me and my mom is there to witness this market today, and we are lucky that today is 1st November 2021 and we are visiting this place. Today is the last date of this Diwali Bazaar. So let's join us. We are moving forwards to the checking part, and inside the gate 2, we are heading towards the gate 2, and The Blind Relief Association Diwali Bazaar 2021. Witnessing here a beautiful stall having the cotton clothes, beautiful patterns you can see. If someone like cotton to wear, they have two patterns of elephants, flowers, beautiful patterns they have. You can see the stall here. The next stall is related to the Diwali decoration. It's beautiful, right? See this Diwali decoration thing. Here we have the Ganeshas, water filled with petals of rose. भैया ये वाला कितने का है? 1800. You can see this. It's costed. I'm in bad shape. 48,000 होगा. How much is this? Excuse me. How much is this? It costs 1,500. This bucket, and this is 2,000 only. So things are very beautiful and cheap in rate. One can buy good things. Stall, but all related to foodies. It's mentioned blind school special only. 400 gram pickle worth rupees to 430, only for 380 rupees. Only pickles, no jams. So the people who loves spices, pickles, they can come to this stall, MS Aravali Foods, C20, in the blind school special Mela, Diwali Mela, and buy some good pickles for themselves. See the food options they have. So we have some sabudana papads here. It's like 100 rupees for this packet. I don't think it's very costly. It's very cheap. One can come and buy the product from the Diwali Mela, and they have good quality also. You can see.
ये सब होममेड अचार है मैम, हम लोग खुद बनाते हैं घर में, और बिल्कुल मतलब किसी में कोई कलर, कोई मिलावट नहीं मिलेगी आपको। और लेडीजें हैं वहाँ छानती हैं, चुनती हैं, और कूटने पीसने का काम सब घर में होता है। अच्छा, इसीलिए तो ये अचार जो देख रहे हैं हम लोग सेंधा नमक में बनाते हैं।
अच्छा, तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट बनाया है ये ब्लाइंड पीपल के थ्रू ही बना हुआ है, लाइक या फिर कैसे रहेगा?
अपना घर में बनाते हैं।
अच्छा, क्योंकि ये ब्लाइंड फेस्टिवल है, राइट? ब्लाइंड स्कूल में लग रहा है, तो फिर ब्लाइंड प्रोडक्ट्स कहाँ पे, ऐसे कुछ प्रोडक्ट जो ब्लाइंड। अच्छा, रावली फूड्स। अच्छा, तो कुछ आगे मिलेंगे जहाँ पे जो ब्लाइंड लोगों ने अपने
वो दिए वगैरह का मिलेगा अंदर में।
अच्छा, आगे मिलता है ना, गांधी हॉल में ना? ओके, so we are heading towards the other stall which are covering the things which are made by people who are blind and specially abled people. I really admire the courage of specially abled people, and so let's see what they made. So it's just normal, although we are having so many private shops here selling different things like shoes. You can see the sandals are so beautiful. See this one. It's so beautiful. The stones work is so beautiful, right? I like this. I want to buy this. भैया इसका क्या प्राइस है इस वाले का? See, it's only cost 2,000 rupees, no? Right. Beautiful. See beautiful dupattas we have here. Fully decorated Diwali Mela. You can see so many good interior for the Diwali. You can buy for your home. See, this diya is 700 rupees. Another diya is 750. So this angle you can see is 1250 rupees only. See the beauty. This is C12. We have Shanaz Herbals stall also, from where you can buy some beauty products. And on the other side we have this beautiful stall of another creatures one can buy for the home decoration. So on the occasion of Diwali, people do come and buy new products for their home to enlighten, to make their homes beautiful. So it's a nice place. One can come and buy very nice products in this Mela. You can see my mom is there. She is planning to buy a product from the Shanaz Hussein's. Not this white one, the other one, wearing the mask. So you can see special offer is going on. Herbal hand sanitizer, flat 50% off on the MRP of the product through Shanaz Hussain. It's C17 stall. And further discounts are also mentioned. Flat 20% on MRP, big Diwali offer on all the products. Usually people don't get on good products discount, but here we are having this. Even we have Chyawanprash, it's having 50% on the MRP.
ये हम उन्हीं को रिकमेंड करते हैं जिनके एज 25 प्लस होती है। रीजन ये होता है कि जैसे एज बढ़ती रहती है, स्किन टेक्सचर चेंज होता रहता है, ड्राई फॉर्म में जाना है।
We have Veda Pharma, Shanaz Hussain's
दोनों अगर मिक्स करके
plant cell based beauty under eye beauty gel. See?
और आप क्रीम के साथ लगाओगे तो और भी बेस्ट रेडिएंट करेगा, आपकी स्किन को ग्लो करता है। और इवन कि आपकी स्किन में जो एजिंग इफेक्ट्स है एंड जो डेड सेल्स होते हैं उनको खत्म करता है, रिन्यूअल करता है आपकी स्किन के टेक्सचर।
So we are having good products. You can come to this stall C17 and buy nice products and having good discounts also. In the stall Sid and Vani, glam up your wardrobe. You can see the beautiful dresses behind me. It costs only 10,500 and we have other ranges here which cost 5,500. You can see it's a beautiful range. One can come and buy very good lehengas on the Diwali occasion. Miss Sid and Vani, C16 stall in the Diwali Mela, Nizamuddin Blind School. We are at the Diwali Bazaar. You can see so many stalls behind me. Beautiful handcrafted things you can buy from this place. See the places, the food items are so nice and always it tastes better and makes your mouth full of taste. See, one DD News channel person is also covering the shop here. You can see it's beautiful. We're covering the DD News part. One reporter is covering the stall in the Diwali Mela. Same as me as a freelancer doing the same. People are sharing their experiences and with the news channel people. So I'm lucky I'm covering this part also, and I'm also behind the scenes. People are so excited, people dressed in the Diwali dresses, wearing nice dresses and buying nice products. See, the handicraft products are are behind. Hello guys, my mom want to share her experience that how she finds this Diwali Mela in blind school, Nijamuddin. For her and me too, this is the first time experience. Someone told us about this Diwali Mela, so that's why we have covered this Diwali Mela, and we really find it nice products, nice things are here. आपको कैसा लगा यहाँ पे आके?
हैंडलूम प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। यदि आप आएंगे तो यहाँ पे हैंडलूम में भी कई चीज़ें काफ़ी बनी हुई हैं और आपको कुछ नया सा ही फील होगा। मैं खुद फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ तो मुझे यहाँ पर अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा लग रहा है आपको? मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गाइस। So do come see the board is there. The Blind Relief Association Diwali Bazaar, 28 October to 1st November 2021, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Here we have the stall of the Blind Relief Association Delhi, where you can find all the products made by the special aided students, people, and we are covering this part, and hopefully we buy some good products here. Raga composite stone, everything made by the stone, you can see. Beautiful stone crafted decorations for your home. Buy and do decorate your houses this Diwali 2021. Here your Frau Shruti covering this thing for you on Monday 1st November 2021 with her mom Rachna. So what is the price for this big? 90,000, right? Yeah, 19, right? 90. So this big stone is costing you 90,000. Yeah, this one is costing you 49,000. So beautiful, 45,000. तो सर ये कौन से स्टोन से बना है, क्या है?
स्टोन के आउटडोर इंडोर दोनों रख सकते हो।
अच्छा, तो मतलब ये पानी से खराब नहीं होगा, अच्छा रहेगा, राइट? Okay. You can see guys, we have a small starfish. It's beautiful, cost only 1200 rupees. It's very easy to buy and cost efficient. One can buy and buy this beautiful starfish in 1200 rupees only. This is Raga stall. All products are very beautiful, I can say, and very cost effective. Yeah, it's 900. One small bird is there, all made of stone. It will never get. Do come, do visit to the Diwali Mela and do visit Raga Composite Stone stall and do buy some good products. In less prices, they have very good, nice products. You can come and buy. This is Raga since 1993. Furniture and accessories in composite stone. I will send all the details in my DM page. You can see the card and details you can buy and through online also. Decorations behind me. Full Diwali Mela is there. See the beautiful tangles, lamps, hanging ladi, gota tassels, Moroccan lamp, crystal ladi, and Eva flowers. Behind me, you can see it's a beautiful stall selling Diwali products to decorate your home during Diwali 2021. We are in the stall, much awaited stall, where things have been created with the people, with the specially aided blind people in the blind school in Diwali Bazaar 2021, 1st November 2021. See, this beautiful pot has been created with the mud, decoratively with the paint. It's so beautiful and cost effective. They have beautiful bell here. some other paper. It's all made by paper. You can see the beautiful thing. It's all from the waste paper they have created. Paper thing you have. It's very cost effective, only 75 rupees. See, beautiful. See this. Beautiful hanging thing. See this thing? This is beautiful, right? Made of mud paper. So everything is handmade with the specially aided people, and I'm so lucky I'm witnessing this beautiful stall here. We have gift tags, fancy gift tags, 55 rupees per packet. See this one. So many other things are there, like gift boxes. These handmade pots are there. This stall has been created by the Blind Relief Associations in the Diwali Bazaar 2021. See this hangings. You can see this hangings, so beautiful. So many people are buying products here, and I'm happy that people are getting exposure to the products made by specially aided people. We are in Delhi capturing Diwali Bazaar through the Blind Relief Associations 2021. This costs only 105 rupees. It's a very big candle one can buy for the Diwali celebration. See the beautiful other products you can see. See, this lamp is only 110 rupees. It's so cheap. Everyone should buy this. I think I also going to buy this. It's a brick candle, a new concept for me. Wow. We have 4 candles in a brick shaped candle. The products are cheap and good. We have 2 cake Diwali candle also. You can see the cake. It's only 580 rupees. Guys, do come and visit this store and buy some nice products in cheap prices. Here is your Shruti with her mom, Rachna, covering Diwali Bazaar, the Blind Relief Association Diwali Bazaar. We are covering the Vivan Creation stall in Diwali Bazaar 2021 by the Blind Relief Association in Delhi. You can see the beautiful patterns on the white colored suits. The suits are very beautiful and cost only 5500 rupees. So everyone who loves white color and want to wear the white flowered pattern suits, they can come and buy the beautiful suits here. Yeah. You can see some models are there who are wearing these suits and they look very nice, beautiful in the suits. We are witnessing this new stall here covering all the good products. We have beautiful suits here. See the range. The quality of the cotton is nice. Pattern is very beautiful. We have some models behind. You can see the beautiful models. People do come visit and buy some good, nice products from the shop Miss Vivan Creation A5 stall in Diwali Mela. Here we have a new stall A7 named as Miss Studio Pottery, and we have a beautiful pottery here. You can see the patterns here. We have some diyas, some beautiful crockery with animals on the edges. They have some other good products. You can see the beautiful crockery. Balloons with the flyers, butterflies on the edges. The products are nice and beautiful and made of wooden, so it's eco-friendly also. So we are covering here Miss Studio Pottery. It's a nice stall. Do visit Diwali Mela and buy from this stall. Then what is the price of this kit? This here? So it's cost you 1200 rupees. It's very nice. Here you get this knife also, and this chutney box, I think. Yeah. It's for me, it's little bit new. So we have here ma'am, so who is selling these products. Hello ma'am. Hi. आपका यहाँ पे कैसे experience रहा? This time first time experience here, Diwali Mela?
I've been with them for many years.
Many years.
Yes.
So what you will say to Delhi people, like, whether they should come, what they
Come
should
and
buy?
shop. This is your last chance. Half a day left.
Yeah. So do people come? Do come. This is going to be live very soon. So do come visit this stall here. And the Mela will go up to 8 p.m. in the night. So you people still have some time to come and buy the product. Bye-bye. In here you can buy the fountains for your house decoration. See the beautiful fountain. Din-din-din. Shishu shoe house is there. Beautiful shoes. People from different eras, people in different places come to this Diwali Mela to buy, and people insisting and telling the truth that people should come and do visit this Mela and buy some good products in cheap prices. See? See, these beautiful couples are there. It's only 1000 in the front, you can say. It's mentioned 1000 rupees. Different ranges are there. It could vary in price. भैया ये वाला कितने का है ये वाला? This अच्छा कोई भी ले लो 1000 rupees, right? So this whole stall having the different different patterns in shoe laces and shoe. You can see different beautiful sleepers are there. Any can buy any kind of sleepers only in 1000 rupees. Beautiful paintings behind me. Wow. It's Happy Diwali. Kids Art Carnival. Made this stall having the dresses made by the kids, decorated by the kids. I think painted by the kids. Yeah. See, beautiful. Beautiful art and craft. Diwali decorations, a must visit bazaar during the Diwalis. Every year this happens in Delhi during Diwalis. It's a big bazaar. They're still covering the other parts of the stalls. My mom is in the full mode of visiting the stalls, and currently we are just observing, and later we will buy some good things. See, the beautiful suits are behind me. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
हर लेडीज़ अपनी शॉपिंग में बहुत बिजी है और मोस्टली लेडीज़ आपको पता ही है इंटरेस्टेड होती है ज़्यादातर सूट्स वगैरह के लिए। तो ज़्यादा सूट्स वगैरह की दुकान पर ज़्यादा भीड़ है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत सूट हैं जो अलग अलग वैरायटीज़ के नज़र आ रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पर, और बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव और हैंडमेड चीज़ें भी काफ़ी कुछ हैं। आप आएंगे तो यहाँ पे कुछ नया सा फील होगा, और कुछ ये है कि आपको खुद ना चाह के भी कुछ परचेजिंग का दिल कर ही जाएगा।
Do come, do visit Diwali Mela by the Blind Leaves Association, New Delhi. Guys, we are on the stall named as Hamari Asha, Rural Women Livelihood and Upliftment Initiative by Ramakant Munjal Foundation. It is a foundation from the Hero Group initiative, and you can see the products. They are very cost efficient and very beautiful, made by mud, so eco-friendly also. Sir, can you please explain about the products? Who made the products and how much it cost?
ये जितना भी सामान है ये जो गुड़गांव की रूरल वुमेन्स है उनके द्वारा बनाया हुआ है। तो लगभग 100+ महिलाएं हैं जो इस प्रोजेक्ट में काम करती हैं हमारे साथ। तो जो भी जितना भी सेल होता है तो हम उन लोगों को इसमें पे करते हैं।
So people who are interested to develop the women livelihood, upliftment, believe in the women upliftment, and this initiative by the Ramakant Munjal Foundation, by the Hero Group initiative, I think this is some place where you people can give your contribution and buy some beautiful handcrafted things, and these are very cost effective. If you see this camel, it costs only 2,000 rupees, right? So things are very beautiful. You can come buy the products from this place and encourage women empowerment, women livelihood and upliftment. Thanks guys for watching. Do share, do love the videos.
ब्लाइंड स्कूल वाले ये अंदर है ना जो ब्लाइंड लोग बनाते हैं
वैक्स वाले मिलेंगे आपको।
So this is 500 rupees pouch. This beautiful pouch again by the Hamari Asha. Of Hamari Asha, a rural women livelihood and upliftment initiative by Ramakant Munjal Foundation. You can visit www.hamariasha.com, info@hamariasha.com for more information. And you people can follow on the Hamari Asha and Hamari_Asha on Instagram and Facebook. Stations, sustaining crafts, B14 stall in the Diwali Mela by the Relief Association, Blind Relief Association, New Delhi, 2021. We have one beautiful lady with us wearing the mask during the COVID timings. What's your good name?
I'm Sakshi.
She is Sakshi, and she is representing here the design station sustaining crafts, telling you what's special in the crafts here and why people should come, why people should visit the stall here, and why people should buy.
So hi, our brand name is Design Station. It's a trivia where all craft and culture meet. So basically, we are having a home textile, home decor brand where a lot of handcraft and handmade things are really encouraged. We are also promoting work done by all women. So we are really promoting women stuff that is made by women and empower all the women out here, get them trained. So things like how these hand crocheted, starting from that, our brand started with this, that these crochet lights, which was converted, something very basic craft was converted into something very contemporary where people like it, and also women, rural women are learning about it, and also the vision of the brand is that how we can promote them. And then we are working into digital prints, creating our handcrafted textiles. All the work that we do over here is working on small little detailing. Every product has a detailing. So we have like these curtains, we have fabrics, even the prints that we do is all our own, absolutely our own prints that we do. We hand paint it, we get it printed, and that's how we do it. Small little things like how edging needs to be done, what kind of color combination, patterns, textures, that's really a forte of the brand. So playing around with the textures, colors, patterns, we have beautiful floral things out here, and then planters, and then we can move on to handcrafted kantha related work, shibori, natural dyes, and even these tipi tents are loved by.
I love the tipi tents. See, for the people who love adventure, they can buy it and have their adventure trips in the house only.
Yeah, so tipi tents are really favorite for even kids as well as for adults. And you can see one of my staff person is sitting inside there and doing work in it. And yeah, and that's about it. And we have these like kind of lamps for Diwali, and how we put our prints on it and we put lights. So yeah, lights. This Diwali is festival of lights, and we all like beautiful little things during our Diwali. So we really take that time and effort to put things, make the homes more littered, colorful, happy, bright, as you can see it at our stall. So that's
So
about
we
it.
request everyone do visit to Diwali Mela and to the stall named as
Design Station.
Design Station. See the logo here. Do come and buy the creations from the
Yeah.
Design Station.
We
And
also are on Instagram by the name DesignStation.
do follow.
Yes. Do follow us and see more exciting things over the year as well.
Love you guys.
Thank you.
People are waiting for you to come here and buy some nice products.
Oh, thank you. That's really kind. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice talking.
We're covering a stall here having beautiful dupattas, handcrafted, hand-painted dupattas. See the prints, they are so beautiful into different colors they have. How much it cost?
750.
750 dupatta per dupatta, right? So it's only 750 rupees per dupatta. People can come and buy the beautiful dupattas, hand painted into different colors. You can see one behind me in the pink and so many other.
That one hand painted this front one.
Okay.
3 ladies.
Yeah, 3 ladies together painted by hand. Colors, the colors, yeah, so beautiful. All are dupattas here. If people want to buy some other stuff, they have this.
Suit also.
We have suits of suit, right? Yeah. See, these dupattas are I like really nice. Only 750 rupees. Do come and visit and buy the product. We are into B25 Miss Mehra Fabric stall in Diwali Mela 2021 by the Blind Relief Association in New Delhi. तो मैम आपको लाइक कैसे मोटिवेशन मिली लाइक हैंड पेंटेड दुपट्टास के लिए?
Actually, we are the wholesalers. So we are dealing into this business from the last 50 years. My father is dealing into this business. So we basically deal in handloom fabrics and ethnic work. So we have our own painters, printers. So we come up with new designs, new hand paints, everything. So we have a regular collection of pieces. And we come here every year to display our collection. So it's very nice. People give us a very good response. And for these hand painted, I must say, last time we were out of the stock. We were out of stock for these hand paints. And today also, I think we are left with just few number of pieces for these dupattas.
So I want to know that in your fabric stall and even in the factory where you work, so how much percentage of women is working for the fabric part and decoration part?
There are many. Actually, it was a pandemic time, so the ratio was decreased a bit. But now, as we are getting into a regular production, so the people people are engaged with us. So ladies do come and according to our production, we hire the people and they do these handmade works for us.
So it's good. Like you are promoting the women empowerment, women encouragement. So all ladies must come here. Even mans also come here to visit this stall and buy good dupattas for their ladies. You want to say something? Yeah? No, please tell me.
That's okay. For ethnic, for silks and completely ethnic handmade products, you can come and you can just cover that beautiful dupatta, the lady figure dupatta over here, the orange one. That's completely handmade dupatta, and it took 15 days to complete just a single dupatta.
Oh, okay. I do cover, yes. So you can see the beautiful stuff and see this product she is talking about. 3 ladies, handcrafted, hand painted. 15 days it took to paint this dupatta. It's beautiful. See the beautiful crafted, handcrafted products selling in Diwali Mela 2021 by the Blind Relief Association. Full threads of cottons. You can see it's beautiful and people can come and do visit the beautiful handicraft products.
ये इसकी क्या प्राइस है?
1500.
So I am here, Shruti here, covering this stall, selling beautiful handcrafted products. You can see one model wearing the beautiful anklet. You can see it's so beautiful, looks so beautiful on the body. You can buy and wear it
One with like the
and lighten your body during the Diwali times, right?
the third one from the left.
Right. So what is the cost which you are wearing?
This one is for 2,500 and this one is for 1,000.
Okay. And okay,
Which
just the
metal
neck,
you have,
right?
people you have used? Ma'am, it's silver alloy and we have a lot of stuff in brass also. So it won't lose its color and it won't rust.
Okay. So, and people do come visit this stall in Diwali Mela in 2021 by Blind Association, Relief Association in New Delhi, and buy the beautiful stuff. See guys, we have a beautiful earring in behind me. See this beautiful quirky design earring you can buy from this stall in Diwali Mela. We have other beautiful pieces here you can buy, and they are gold plated, so the range goes around 500, 5,000, 5,500 and 4,500 rupees further. See the beautiful designs they have. This is something quirky you can buy. We are in the Diwali Mela 2021 by the Blind Association, Relief Association, Delhi. So we have one representative from the association we are in the stall where especially aided people are giving massage, because we have a massage course in this association. The lady will tell more about the association and the products and which courses one can come and join and learn new skills to upskill themselves.
Okay, so this is a massage training center, you can say, or massage enjoy relaxation massage stall, and these all the people who are doing massage here, some of them are completely blind and some of them are partially blind, and they are doing their massage training over here. This is Blind Relief Association, as ma'am already said, and these people are blind and they are trying to like empower themselves so that they can not be dependent on some other people and work on their own and earn some money for themselves and make them independent.
Yeah. Thank you. So you told one Facebook page. You can give our viewers some information about the pages and where they can follow.
So Blind Relief Association has an Instagram page and a Facebook page as well. You can follow like the Instagram ID of Blind Relief Association. It is called Blind Relief Association, and the Facebook page as well. It is named as Blind Relief Association. You can go and check the post of Diwali Bazaar Mela and all the other products that they make, like in the back area, like Blind Relief Association candles and like diyas and all the Diwali's different things, and masks and like scrunchies and all the other things.
You can see behind they are giving good massage only in 200 rupees 20 minutes. And what about the courses? From where we can get more information about the courses?
Like we have here massage training course and then multi-skill coach, and also ma'am some like computer diploma course as well. And yeah, these are some
and that
courses.
only for the blind people. If anyone other like who are not special aided and they want to learn something,
This is for blind special. So yes, this is for blind.
okay. Thanks for sharing your views and sharing information.
If you want to talk, and you can connect with
Evening 5:20 p.m. and we are in the Diwali Mela by the Blind Relief Association Delhi in Delhi 2021. Today is 1st November and today is the day one can buy different handicraft products from this beautiful Diwali Mela market. Next year also, even every year they have this Diwali Mela. Do people come and visit the place and buy some good products? We are having our good food, our energetic food, because since last 3 years we are moving in the market and we are visiting beautiful stalls, and yes, we are witnessing nice creations by the specially aided people. Do visit, do come, witness the place, witness the nice products made by the specially aided people. Do share our love to motivate others, specially aided people also, and even the women empowerment. So अब हम पूरा मार्केट घूम चुके हैं, अब हम मतलब थोड़ी देर में हम जाने वाले हैं यहाँ से. तो आपको कैसा लगा पूरा मार्केट घूम के? पूरा
मैं तो चाहूँगी, आज तो लास्ट डेट है, आप लोग नहीं आ सकते, अगली बार आप जरूर कोशिश कीजिए. हमें भी आज ही पता लगा था और मेरी बेटी के थ्रू भी पता लगा मुझे कि यहाँ पर ऐसा लगता है. मैं खुद फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ. अगली बार फिर हम ध्यान रखेंगे कब लगता है, क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें
every year during the Diwalis this place have a very beautiful mela.
Okay, thank you.
You want to eat? Come and have with me. Guys, it's your South Shruti. 1st November 2021 is going to be 7 p.m. in the evening, and currently I'm in Connaught Place. We have good time in the Diwali Mela 2021 by the Blind Reef Association, New Delhi. I have some work, so we have come to CP, and I'm going to meet one of my friends and cover a bit part from the CP related to decoration during the Diwali. So I'll just give a snip of that. My mom took a metro and went to home, and then later in the evening I go home and have snipping of my nearby areas, a nearby market I will cover on the Diwali, because tomorrow my office will be there, so I was not able to cover the evening part of the markets. So let's see how will be things. But today it was really good, and now my meter of my Cheetu, my scooty to Honda two-wheeler Aviator is there, and currently my meter shows 40,610 kilometer. And at the initial level also, when I start from the home, you have seen the I told what kilometer my scooty have already rode. So see, it's currently not visible, but yes. So today was really nice. We have covered really good places, very nice spots in between. We have firstly covered, we have gone through Akshardham Road, and then we took Ring Road towards to Ways to Wonder Park, theme park, and then from there we have slightly taken the cut towards the right, a U-turn towards the Indraprastha Park, and then later we came to this ITO Mathura, covering all biological, zoological, Delhi Zoo and everything, and then we moved to Blind Association Team Diwali Market. So now I am in CP, so closing this vlog as of now for today. I have already covered the part which I want to cover, and further in the end I will cover a bit part of decoration from Connaught Place, New Delhi. Thank you for watching the videos. Do motivate us, do share the videos, do share your love on the videos, comment us. Thanks for the time you are spending on our videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. See you next time. Love you all. Guys, it's 1st November 2021, and I'm covering a market which having lot of things to buy in Diwali. You can see the decoration behind me. Full decoration is there, and full market is busy selling all the products related to Diwali. I also bought so many things. Diwali Mela. Maybe we are planning to buy a very nice washing machine this Diwali. So heading towards a shop. The full Diwali Mela is there. It's my nearby market, near to my house on Shahadra Street. Very near to Shahadra metro station. Happy Diwali in advance. Full market. Many decorative things are there. So I am doing my shopping for the Diwali. So wish everyone in 2021 to have a very nice Diwali around. See the shops nearby. This is going to be Diwali celebration. We are going to make some colors to decorate our rangoli at home for Diwali. markets are beautifully decorated for the Diwali 2021. We are in November month, 1st November is the date today. After COVID, markets are back to the normal pace. Here in Delhi, everyone is still wearing the mask to protect themselves. This market is very famous. In every occasion, it's usually fulfilled and decorated very beautifully. So now we are into winter session. So and you can see the winter eating stuff also coming across the market. Due to COVID, we have several security also in the market. Like we have police around. Do shop more and make your Diwali nice. And a special request that don't use too much crackers to reduce the pollution in the environment. So no use of crackers, but you can light up diyas made of mud. So guys, happy Diwali to you everyone in advance. Today is 1st of November and I have visited today in Delhi 2 markets. One nearby my home, which is in Shahadra market. You can see the decoration behind. I had my dinner at home and now having a good very nice ice cream of Mother Dairy. Rocket Belgium chocolate bar. See, this bar is so beautiful and it's so tasty. It's highly Belgium taste on. And before this market, in the afternoon time, I have covered a market which is meant for the Blind Association in Delhi. We have covered that market for you guys. Today was although the last day for that market, but make sure that you will visit the market placed by the Blind Association next year definitely. That is the no miss. That is the market which you should not miss. Okay. So let's catch you on the 4th of December. No, 4th of November. Okay, this Diwali event. Let's meet you then again. Because in between 3 days my office work is there, so I will work, and then on Diwali day I will make a video for you guys. Till then, happy eating. Happy Diwali in advance. Guys, it's 2nd November 2021. We are in a mall named as Metro. It's a very famous mall in India, although the franchisee is from the Germany, and we are here for shopping. We did a very nice shopping. You can see the decoration behind. We have spent good number of 2 hours. Happy Diwali to all of you in advance.
Happy Diwali.
And you can see what we bought. So many things we bought. So in this mall, we have Glance Trends, Jockey, The Winters, Burger King. We have movie also, Carnival movie, and we have Metro Wholesale, Pantaloons. We have SBI Bank. We have McDonald's. We have Domino's, Haldiram's. Above we have Max, and we have Decathlon also. And we have digital Reliance also, Reliance Digital. If anyone want to buy, we can come and buy some good stuff from this mall. And due to Diwali, they have very attractive discounts. And you can come and join the mall decoration. Do visit the mall. This mall is in East Delhi, Karkatuma. This mall is in East Delhi, Karkaduma, named as CBD Shahadra Mall. ये मॉल का नाम क्या है? मेट्रो मॉल है ना? हाँ, this mall is Metro Mall in CBD Shahadra. So wishing everyone a happy Diwali from all the people. Happy Diwali. Same to you.